Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to do A-B testing for YouTube title. Now we have seen A-B testing for YouTube thumbnail, but how do you do an A-B testing for YouTube title?
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
Now one of the important things you have to understand is A-B testing is where you give two options and test both of them, which gives you more results, which results in higher CTR, right? People click a YouTube video due to various reasons, and one of them is title, another is thumbnail, the colors on the thumbnail, right? So all of this matters. And so in this video, you'll learn what to do when it comes to A/B testing. So basically, you are doing A/B testing when you're confused that this title might work and this title might not work, right? All you have to do is when you go to editor, click on the video, you can see over here A/B testing, and you can see both options. You can do it for title, you can do it for thumbnail, you can do it for both title and thumbnail. Now I already added one video title over here. You can add any other title. Now for since I have vidIQ installed, I will just take another one from this, right? I will mention it over here. Now vidIQ is giving it a good title score as well, 93. So what I will do is I will just set this test and it will run this for around 15 days to see which title gives more clicks. Now for this there are certain criteria. There should be enough views for it to generate and result which title worked well, right? So you can just click on set test and you can give additional titles as well. So now you can see over here the test is ready and the results will be published once the views are generated in post 15 days. You can see both the titles are set. In this way, you can do A/B testing and you can try. And this especially is beneficial when you're confused with two titles options you have, which you might have generated using any tool or ChatGPT AI tools, right? So do drop in the comment section what was your experience you running A/B testing titles for your videos, and we'll get back in next video. Subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave for more such videos.